Messi's India tour was a total disaster. In Kolkata, the fans went absolutely ballistic after his half an hour show and the rip-off ticket prices, tearing the place apart everyone, breaking fences, hurling chairs and bottles, and forcing the cops to whack them into order. The whole event was a joke. Shoddy organization, massive overcrowding, and security that was practically non-existent. Have a look what they did. So many people got arrested that day, everyone, including the damn event organizer. Now, everyone, the air of Delhi was so toxic it made the whole visit feel like a nightmare for everyone. And imagine what Messi had to go through. So, international sports personalities might be hesitant to visit India like Messi did, everyone, given the recent backlash over this tour. Man, I feel bad. The event, which was supposed to be Messi's GOAT India tour, everyone, was meant to promote football, but it ended up with violence, arrests, and criticism of mismanagement. Well, that was expected, everyone, but this much violence? Oh god, no. No. Honestly, where was the hospitality? Where was the patience of the Indian people? Absolutely shameless, to be honest. Very shameless. Now, Messi came only for 20 minutes. His appearance was short, but these people should have known that he can't stay there forever. He can't stay there for almost 2 hours, 3 hours of their choosing. He just came there for a public appearance and that is it. So I don't know why there is so much illiteracy, everyone. Man, I'm disappointed. While congratulations to Shoaib Malik, his statue has been built in India, everyone. Honestly, such a great ditto copy of Shoaib Malik they have built, and it's better to not make a certain statue than disrespect it. Like, they have changed Messi's whole facial structure. Like, look at it. What have they done? My god. Messi's tour of India has been officially ruined. The hypocrisy the Indian crowd showed to Messi was absolutely unacceptable. The way they welcomed him, and then after how they treated him just because of a 20-minute appearance, was absolutely shocking, and I feel really bad. And this is really unacceptable, and to be honest, after this, many sportsmen should boycott India, because I haven't seen such disaster anywhere else. While everyone, stay tuned on AA Sports for more updates like this. Thank you so much, everyone.